So, do you need to remove the charging port out of an iPhone XS Max to remove the battery? Well, maybe not. You can go at it the same way as you do. Possibly the top way, just slowly. Just be careful with it. As you can see, charging port and the Tactic engine is still in. Just keep the pressure on it. Don't know if that got it. If it hasn't, that's bad. It's got enough out of there though. Okay, well, we'll have a go for tab number 2. 1 minute. Alright, we're going to have a go at tab number 2. It's right down here. Let's have a go. Can we get this out without needing to remove all of this? I have no idea. We're going to give it a go anyway. And we're going to try not to screw up the battery as well. The idea with this one is try and grab a piece of it and twist around like you're rolling a piece of spaghetti and lift it out. It's probably not going to work, is it? Keep rolling it. If it does bust it, I'm not overly worried. Just keep rolling. So, pull up on the frame, roll back. I think it is working actually now, as you can see. There we are. Uh-oh. Or maybe not. I think that might have gone a little wrong. Oh dear. Okay, well, that's interesting. We'll have to try for the third tab. This is a worst case scenario because if that actually does happen, then we're going to have to remove this battery the difficult way, which we can also do using the credit card. As long as you've got that top one out, you're good. Or you can get a card in there and lift it out. Let's try for the third tab. Let's give it a go. Got to be so careful with these tweezers. Make sure that battery is discharged before you do this. Just roll them over. Stick the tweezers in there like that. And then pull up. Push through. Roll over like that. and just keep rolling them. Pull up and roll. Not needing to take out the charging port or the Taptic engine at all with this. And just keep turning. Pull up. Turn, as you see. Here you go. It's not going to do the battery any good, but in this case the battery is screwed anyway. And then pull. Might have got it. Close enough. I can get a tool under there. I can definitely get a tool under that. I can proceed to try and pry that out this way. Rest of the phone is screwed anyway. I'm trying this, the brute force method. Let's peel that out. There you are. Yeah. I saved a few minutes on time of that. Let's just take this glue off, and we'll go with that a bit more. 1 minute. God, this iPhone glue that they're using is actually pretty fierce. Removing that stuff is actually a pain in the ass. It's pretty tough adhesive. If you're not careful, you can rip thumbnails off. If you try to peel that off, it's actually using pretty tough adhesive on that. It's incredible. But it is removable once you get a biting point on it. Yeah, that's underneath there, if you can see that. We just need to extract the last of that glue. Be careful with sharp tweezers near that. You don't want to perforate that battery. Straight in. Grab the glue. Carefully pull out. And that's got our battery out. Yeah. How good is that? And no damage to any of our cables. Sweet. We didn't even need to take out any of our charging port either. Battery is still actually good enough as well. There you go, no damage to the battery either. How good is that? All we now need to do is just peel this off, like so. There we are. Didn't even need to remove any of the other stuff. Great for testing. It's taken less time. Can just drop that straight back in there for now. How awesome is that? Yeah, found an easy way. Removing the top one was just the same procedure. Jam your tweezers in there and just keep rolling over. Just make sure you stay away from that camera at the top. And just keep twisting them over. Pull, keep it taut, keep twisting down, and keep it as level as you can. Same thing down there. You can warm the back up, but I wouldn't. In this case, didn't have to. There you are. Removing a battery without removing charging port. iPhone XS Max. Yours truly. See you soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Boom! Coming at you in the next one. We need to get this fixed. Ka-chow.